All right, traders, let's get into today's unbelievable market trading recap, right? If you were like me, then you spent this entire week waiting for today. And that is because, as you guys and gals know, today was the FOMC interest rate meeting. They do these meetings once every, I think, 6 weeks or so, and they announce the direction of interest rates. And as you guys probably guessed, they increased the interest rates. I think the market was kind of caught off guard by that move. They were expecting the Fed maybe to hold steady. And boy, did that unleash a downpour of selling today. All right, guys and gals, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then I know you crushed it today. Just crushed it. In fact, honestly, today was just a day for the record books. Sometimes I feel that on certain days you have to be thanking God that you are a day trader, because we basically had the perfect sell signal show up, predicting this massive sell-off before it actually happened. All right. Now, what you're looking at on the screen right now, guys and gals, is today's price action chart of the NASDAQ. I don't know why I'm starting to fall more and more in love with the NASDAQ. I just am. You can trade the NASDAQ on all asset classes, all right? Forex, futures, and stocks and options. I'm starting to become more and more convinced that the NASDAQ is the #1 symbol for active traders. Why? Because it seems like there's always a built-in level of volatility. And if you know me, or if you've spoken to me, or if we've had any length of dialogue before, then you know that I am a huge believer in volatility. In fact, I believe that volatility is a day trader's best friend, and you should run towards volatility, not away from it. All right? And what you're also seeing on the chart right now is our proprietary volume indicator color band. All right? This volume indicator was designed and built to do one thing and only one thing. And that is to tell you who is in control of the market at any one moment in time. When you see this color band green, it tells you that the buyers are in control and the market has a better chance of going up. And of course, on the flip side, when you see it turn red, like it did right here at this moment in time, it tells you that the sellers are now in control and that there's a better chance of the market going down. And so it's your job to potentially play it accordingly. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now, because I still think that far too many of you guys and gals out there are continuously messing around with the wrong chart display. All right. 99% of you guys out there are still fumbling and bumbling around with your candlesticks and your goofy Bollinger Bands and stochastics and any number of garbage indicators. Look, there's no possible way that if you want to become a professional day trader, then you cannot hang on to these charts, right? This chart is completely and totally useless. It's garbage. You can't make out heads or tails of what's happening, and that is why I truly and 100% believe that a chart like this can make an immediate impact. The learning curve for this chart is short, guys and gals. It's simply green and red, right? When it turns red like it did today, shame on you if you tried to go long or buy the market when this thing was so clearly and obviously red, right? Anyway, I'm going to show you right now my favorite pattern. If you guys have been with me any length of time, you know what I'm about to show you. But of course, if you guys are brand new, or if you're still goofing off with these garbage charts, then I promise you, you're going to learn something fascinating today. All right. So in a scenario like this, where you get a color change on this bar, okay, it does not mean that you randomly come in and just sell short the market whenever you feel like it, right? The smart thing to do, guys and gals, is to wait for a better fill. And how you do that is you wait for a retracement. You understand? What's a retracement? Well, whenever a trend has been established, all right, let me just squish down this box a little bit, okay? So whenever a trend has been established, meaning you get this red band print, that shows up right here. You first wait for some more downward momentum, and then you want to see the market come back up to you, right? This string of pullback or retracement or green bars coming up, even though the color band is red, is how you know the retail traders are stepping in. The amateurs are attempting to buy here, even though it's red, right? There's not a single professional trader that I know that was buying the market today. Only the dummies and the idiots were buying the market today, all right? Anyway, so you wait for this pullback, all right? And then the moment of truth is when you get this bar right here. Okay? This is what's known as a perfect retracement setup. And the specifics of this is really a red reversal bar, not any old bar, but a red reversal bar that prints on or above the color band, and the high of that bar's got to be above the color band. Simple, right? Easy peasy. Guys, there is nothing complicated about this strategy the way that you guys are complicating your strategy like this, right? To me, this is confusing. I can't make out heads or tails of what's happening here. What's a retracement? Where's my stop go? Nothing. It's garbage, right? And that's why none of you guys were able to capture the trend today if you were using this chart. Now on the vol chart, it was a cakewalk, right? When this signal shows up, it tells you that at this moment in time, the professional traders have stepped back in and they want to continue the downward trend, right? And this is when a potential short trade can be opened. Not over here, okay? Right here on the open of the next bar is when I would look to potentially go short this market. I would place my stop loss 1 or 2 ticks or pips above that signal bar's high, all right? And that's it. I want to let the trend do the heavy lifting for me. If the market was destined to sell off, I want to participate in that. And if I squish this in, guys and gals, and we see, oh my goodness, this market took a plunge for 900 potential ticks. Okay. Yes, you heard me say that, 900. And you know what's crazy? Like, this is the crazy part. First of all, there was another retracement, another perfect setup right over there. But what I love about this volume indicator, man, is just look at the power of these clean trends, right? Look at this long setup right here, right? Volume turned green right there. Look at this perfect long entry right there. Beautiful. Another 400 ticks straight up. Just look at these colors, man. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't this like a work of art? Have you ever seen an indicator that can transform the chart to make it look like this? As opposed to this, right? My goodness, guys and gals, today was like taking candy from a baby, guys. First of all, I want to say, congrats to all you guys who were successfully able to nail this retracement on the NAS today. I did speak to a lot of you guys by text message and by email, and listen, I'm thrilled when I see my customers crushing it in the market on almost a daily basis. I'm telling you guys, having the right indicator, having the right system makes all the difference in the world. So big congrats to everybody who might be somewhat new to the program. I'm so glad you guys had an incredible week, and I don't think the market is done selling off. I think we're going to see more continuation tomorrow. I'm going to be looking out for this exact setup, guys and gals, tomorrow and the next day. And I simply cannot wait to see if we get another 1,000 point sell-off tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.